Yo, what's up, guys? So this is the Viper alarm. No, this is a Toyota with alarm security because this is the key fob right here. This is the alarm, but lock it and it will turn off. First, you have to, if you jump here, look, nothing happens. If you do this, not working. Not working. What? So you see, this is the Toyota steering wheel. If you pull the handle, it won't open. Okay? And that's how I do it. Oh. So this is the alarm. It's just ring. But the alarm is very bad. Let's do it still. See? Let's do it again. If we do it inside, look. Inside is just join the because the key is like a normal. Okay. So it was just a so John is leaving. This car is awesome, literally. But I hope you enjoy. I see you in the next video. Bye.